Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX and today I'll guide you on how to download and install Spotify on your MacBook. If this helps, please consider subscribing this channel. Spotify is a great music streaming service that lets you listen to your favorite songs and playlists. And to install it, open your web browser and after then you have to type on the address bar spotify.com. Press on enter. Once the page loads, you will see an option Download App. Click on it. Click on this download button again. And it will download a zip file. Click on it. And double click on this file. Click on this Open button. And it is gonna install Spotify on your MacBook. The first time you open Spotify, you might see a warning because it's downloaded from the internet. Normally you have to click on the Open button to allow it to run. And that's it. Now you know how to download and install Spotify on your MacBook. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.